My name is Adam Gray, President and CEO of SheetLables.com. We're located in Glens Falls, New York. We specialize in blank label sheets as well as printed label sheets, and we now also offer printed roll labels. So I started the business in high school when I was 15. And I actually had a special arrangement with a principal where I could answer my cell phone during class and take an order on the phone. By the time I had graduated high school, I had built the business up to about a six-figure revenue. And so you fast track to today, we've got just under 40 full-time employees, 34,000 square feet, and we service just under 60,000 active customers nationwide. When you look at the technology we have as an e-commerce company, we've got computer screens everywhere, we have software developers on site, and we've got a domino press that's super easy to run. It's not intimidating. There's bright lights everywhere. There isn't ink on the floor. It's a beautiful machine. And that attracts the best talent in the business.
Shipping hundreds of orders a day requires our team to be cross-trained through the various positions, from our customer service reps in the office to our production associates in the warehouse. We have a 12-point quality assurance program, not only to make sure labels are done right, but also so they're done on time.
So the reason we purchased the Domino technology was to grow. So we're servicing a variety of customers in the chemical, personal care, and food and beverage space. So we have orders that are being placed with 50 SKUs, 100 SKUs, and we'll run them back to back at the same output speed and pass that cost savings on to the customer for a lower unit price. So there were two primary factors why Domino was our top pick. Number one was the level of service that they would bring, and the output of the machine was, we believe, to be industry leading. And again, the domino press is so super easy to run, it's not intimidating, so we're able to attract talent to help run that machine and learn in very, very short periods of time how to operate that machine effectively. We are definitely a very high energy company, dynamic, fast paced. Our retention rate's fantastic for our employees. We try to keep people happy as much as we can. We pay very well. So one of the things we recently participated in was a National Manufacturing Day, and we were able to speak in front of an audience of high school students that were interested in manufacturing. We tried to showcase that we're a tech company and we're also a printing company to try to engage them as possible recruits for the future.
Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm a digital press operator at SheetLables.com. I've been running the Domino for about a year now. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the easiest in terms of ease of running the Domino, I'd say at this point for me it would be about a 10. If you can operate a computer or a smartphone, you can operate this machine.
So with any major capital investment, obviously it's important to make sure that you have a great service team behind that product. And Domino is an extreme support mechanism in helping our operators get up to speed, and any small maintenance issues that came up, they handled very well. So because we're a tech company at our core, we wanted to find an equipment vendor that also shared a similar philosophy. We found Domino to be a tech-centered company as well. And so we have some great synergy there. It's an amazing relationship. And because of that, I think that we've done a phenomenal job working together, both on the service side and on the product side as well. On behalf of SheetLables.com, thanks, Domino.